Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello my dears. Today I am drawing this beautiful cake. Watch the video till the end. We need black color, crimson color, blue color, orange color, yellow color, red color. Let's start. Woo! First I am drawing a tray for the cake. Please subscribe. It's the first floor of the cake. Woo! This cake is going to be so colorful after the painting. Woo! It's the second floor. Woo! Now I am drawing candles. Woo! Now I am coloring hearts with red marker. Woo! Yellow color for the biscuit. Woo! Blue color for the cream. Woo! Orange color for the second floor's biscuit. Woo! Crimson color. Woo! Orange color. Woo! Yellow color. Woo! See you on next video.